Realize the wonderful advantages that fresh, soft, and free rainwater has using an RTS Home Accents rain barrel. Even more in tune with the environment, our Eco Rain Barrel is made from 100% recycled plastic and utilizes a plastic screen and spigot. Our rain barrels are designed with a unique, authentic oak barrel texture that are the closest thing to an actual wood barrel you can find. You can rest assured these barrels will not fade, rot, or risk infestation. Another unique feature is the flat back design. This allows you to situate your rain barrel flush against a wall. Additional features include the ability to link multiple barrels to increase water collection, and dual overflow options to keep water from flooding against your outside wall.